I feel like all of the traveling and having unlimited internet is way too complicated when you look at it online. We went really stupid. We have an iPhone 5 that's, 4 or 5 years old at this point, and we just have the T-Mobile unlimited plan.
I'm going to try to talk about a travel tip while we are on a hike. When we filmed the first trip, we filmed it all and then we came back to the US and then we edited it all and pushed it out. It's easy to divide. We also had time then to sit down in our house and film more like question and answer or just travel tip videos that we pushed out to you guys as well. Two separate things. Now we're on the road, we're editing videos and we're pushing them out as we're traveling. I don't think we're gonna have time to have sit down chat videos. So I think we're gonna have to do this whole travel tip thing while we are traveling. Tim and I are just talking about our T-Mobile plan, and we thought we could share how we are doing internet on the road.
So as you can expect, we need internet for our phones, we need internet for the computers, we need internet for Netflix and chill. We each have a cell phone and we have an AT&T Go plan, so that's just
Pepper.
Excuse us.
Pepper.
We each have a cell phone. We each have an AT&T Go phone. It's just like a monthly plan where we have like 6 gigs or something on the phone. Then we're using this old cell phone and we're just putting a T-Mobile SIM card in it, using it as a hotspot. So we don't have a MiFi, we don't have like something affixed to the RV. We just have a cell phone that is neither of our cell phones, a third cell phone, and we're using that as the hotspot.
So if you go in and try to get like a dedicated hotspot, it's severely limited how many gigs of data you get. I think it's
and
like
it ends up being more expensive.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's been great so far. You get up to 22 gigs without throttling, and then after that, it's still unlimited, and they only throttle you if you're in a really congested area, but it's been awesome so far. So T-Mobile is $95 a month, and each of our cell phone plans is $40 a month. We're on the prepay plan. That's fine. It's cool.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Final thing, we've heard a ton researching before we left about cell phone boosters and everything. Now that we're on the road and talking to people who have them, we heard they're not that great actually. Like, we can always get AT&T or T-Mobile signal unless we're in, say, Big Bend Park, and then you're not going to get anything no matter what you have. So it hasn't been an issue so far.
Okay, so the only thing then with internet, especially T-Mobile, since they are not as since they don't have as much service as a Verizon or an AT&T, is definitely the first to not have service. We still then have it on our cell phones, but we don't have this unlimited then. So a good example is last night in Santa Fe here, we had enough internet on our phones to work and get by. It wasn't like Netflix and chill unlimited mode, but then tonight we're going closer into town and then we'll have T-Mobile there. So we're spending a little bit more money on staying at RV parks to be close into town, but
if you're researching Wi-Fi and internet plans right now for your trip, don't overcomplicate it. Like, T-Mobile has been awesome so far. We've used 60 gigs on their unlimited plan, and we're probably going to have 100 by the end of the month. It works, and it's pretty affordable.
Remember we saw that thing online, like Unlimitedville or something? There's like other online vendors that you can get unlimited service through. It's just like a third party. I don't know. Again, we're not sponsored by any of this. This is just like, we literally just finished all the research because we just got the T-Mobile plan. We're happy with how that's been working. We don't know any other option because we've never used any other option, but what we have, super legit. We're just seeing how much we can, how much data. Loving that data.